Do you say, I don't have any friends? Are you looking for good bonding with a friend? Are you a lover of friendship? My dear students, teachers, parents, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another very interesting word, friend. The video talks about friend because August 1st week every year the whole world celebrates Friendship Day. Have you celebrated Friendship Day? How was that? How many friendship bands you have given to the friends? How many friendship ribbons you might have tied to the beautiful wrists of your friends? How many friendship cards you have made? What is this, friends? In school, sometimes, few of the parents walk into my office. They say, Ma'am, my son or my daughter feels lonely. No one is friendly with my son. No one is friendly with my daughter. I smile at them. I tell, don't worry, I'll speak to your son and daughter. You just one small favor you do for me. Tell your son and daughter to mix with everyone. Take them to the places. Encourage them to be socializing with everyone. Encourage them to be mix and mingle up with everyone. That only simple advice I give and send them. And I call them, they sit alone, and all others will look at them and they walk away. They don't go with them, even if they call, they don't run with them, they don't play with them. It is not all the others who are not making friends with her or with that boy. It is the boy or girl making themselves sit away and they are being alone at one corner of the classroom. Today, I just want to insist on, it is not the fault of the others, it is the fault of ourselves when we don't have friends. If anyone say, I don't have anyone, I don't have friends, I tell you, it is not the fault of the others, it is fault of others, ourselves. We are not friendly. That is why no one is with us. What is being friendly? A friend is the one whom you can really share openly. You can call them at any time. You need not take an appointment. You can call them at any time. You can speak them out of your own heart. At school level, all children, first class, second class, third class, till you are fifth class, if we ask our son or daughter, who are your friends? They give a big list of boys and girls' names. The whole class is their friends. As we grow in our age, we limit ourselves to acquaint with the people. When you're younger, when you are in the primary sections, you're so free, so open-minded. You have a pure heart and pure soul. You mingle with everyone. It's only the adults who tell, no, don't go with that boy. Don't play with this girl. Don't be. We suppress and we limit that. As they grow to the middle sections, to the teenage level, they themselves make like they don't mix with others. This we have to encourage all our children to mix and mingle up with others, because having a friend is always encourages our life. It gives so much of happiness. It gives immense pleasure. Even if father appreciates, mother appreciates, our aunts, our uncles, or our grandfather, grandmother, they say, hey boy, you have done it so well, you danced it well, you have sang well, still One friend calls and say, hey, you have done it so well. You nailed it. That's it. When our friend says, we will have a kind of spirit which boosts us and gives us so much of happiness. It gives as if you hold the whole world. That is the magic of friendship. That is the magic of having friends. I encourage everybody to have a friend. Our former president and scientist APJ Abdul Kalam also quoted. He said, one good book is equivalent to 100 friends. But one good friend is equivalent to a library of books. What a wonderful quote. Yeah, many times we think this book is enough. I need not have friends. Yes, one book is equal to 100 friends. But if you really have one good friend, that is equivalent to a library of books. Do you have that one good friend? From our childhood, we have so many acquaintances. We have so many people as friends. Can you say one or two or three as your best friends? That you can be so yourself with them. If you say yes to this question, I tell you, your life is so pleasant, so happy, so peaceful. That's why even in the King Solomon has said, at the day of adverse, that means when you are in trouble, everyone will have troubles. At the day of a troubled day, some problem had come. It is always good to take the help of your neighbor or your friend rather than look for your brother who is in far land, a distant land. What a wise quote. It's always good to take the help of your close friend who is next to you, who looks at you every day, who get acquaintance every time, rather than your own brother or your own sister who lives somewhere leading their own life. Having friends is always a boon. One good friend is like a big library of books. Today I just want everyone to have that one good friend. First of all, we need to be friendly. We need to accept. We need to know what we really like. We need to say yes to yes and no to no. Then you will have real good friends. Otherwise, there will be some friends who just get attracted to your things but not to you. Remember that also very important. So having a friend is a boon. Having a friend is a wonderful thing that can happen to anyone in this life. Take care. Be blessed.